Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are at the Escape Rally in Osoyoos for 2026, and we have a very special trailer here. This is an Escape 23.
Yep, Penny and Charles own this trailer.
They were just hosting what they call a breakout session.
50 plus mods we did to a perfectly good and wonderful Escape 23.
And there are so many things that they've done, and they even give this little handout. Little mods, not super expensive as I understand it. I'm just wildly impressed, but let's take a tour of this Escape. We'll start at the outside here. I think there's a lot that people can learn from this.
Yeah, they also gave like the name of the product, like where they bought it and what it's called, so you can go replicate.
So as you can see, they do have the armless awning, white on white, front tongue box. They actually did rotate. This is a mod that we need to do on ours for sure.
That's a nice mod, yeah.
That's wonderful. That allows you to open that tailgate for some trucks here. And they've got all their business end over here. But one thing that kind of stood out, they've got the bug nuts here on all of the screens, you know, the little screens on here. And they're out of Colorado. So, you know, bugs might be an issue where you guys are, but they've added a smart plug. And this has made a very big difference in regards to, you know, connecting and disconnecting their cable. That's a big deal. Something that we learned is a lot of these things are quality of life upgrades for somebody who deals with some joint mobility issues. Yeah. That's a big deal, and that kind of struck me as well. And I love the little decal here, isn't that nice? Their little dog bed, because of course your furry friends have to be comfortable. But let's go ahead and let's step inside. And there are so many little tiny details they have modded on their rig just to make it feel like, and she was just saying, she goes, I've never been more happy with an RV. Yeah. They actually had a 19 before, and so far, so great with this. And I'm not gonna show the bathroom yet, because we need to start up here, and I think that's my favorite. So something that you might not have noticed right away, and I think a carpet makes any tiny space really come alive and pop, right?
I agree.
Even with this wood cabinetry, you know, it really stands out great. But what's interesting is this is a cork floor. Yeah. It's actually 2 layers of cork.
Yeah, and they're like the puzzle piece floors that you can get for like your home gym or whatever, and it just like clicks together. And so they just put 2 layers of it and cut it to size, which is really nice. And it's really soft and bouncy. You'll
have to take my word for it. It is, oh, actually, yeah, and actually you can see that little kind of puzzle piece right there. You'll have to take my word for it. It is extremely comfortable. There are all sorts of little quality of life additions, little shelves. This folds up and away, which is wonderful. And we've got a little Sirius XM setup here. They've even got just little bits of storage here and there just to make it home. You know, a quick way to magnetize or write on their board, more storage. And this is interesting. You can attach these right to these 2 poles for support here. That's fascinating. And then we did the exact same thing, funny enough. Great minds think alike, I say, you know? And then right down here, it's fascinating for many reasons to me, but this is usually dead space. So they went ahead and they've added a little bit of storage right there. Just added the door, it flips out, and there you are. Of course, there's a little dustpan and, you know, books and all that good stuff. That's great. Where are you gonna put your towel? Well, there you are. And all of these leather straps. So they actually replaced all the hardware with these leather straps. She said they have no issues with stretching or scratching. They still look great, and they're almost 2 years old. They look fantastic. But there's a very interesting mod that I think is super important for folks that have joint mobility and pain issues, and that is right here. So on anything that has a magnetic latch, it's going to have a little paper clip on the magnetic part here. So on that magnet, they'll go ahead and they'll put that paper clip here, and they also have a little, like on this, they can put it on the second magnet. When they want to go down the road, they have the better catch here. It's harder to pull open, but because that can be kind of a pain for her, they go ahead and they put this little paper clip here, and it reduces the amount of pull here. So you do get some of that. It's not just gonna fly open, but look at that.
That makes it really nice when you're parked for a while, that you can pull that cabinet open a lot easier.
Much easier. I love that. Also some shelves and a drawer. Doesn't that look fantastic? I love that. If you're wondering what in the heck this is actually a level mate. This is a Bluetooth level meter. That's really kind of a fun little detail there. That probably makes that a lot easier.
So they added their own easy reach table to their trailer, and they made it so that it can fold out. Yeah. And so they have a small table, they have a big table, so they can play cribbage and things like that. And then they also kind of put a support in here so that it doesn't wobble, which is nice. So it's a very sturdy table. Yeah,
which actually our table doesn't wobble a whole lot, but because it's so big, you have a little leverage there. Yeah. We should copy that idea for sure.
Yep.
Yeah, and then moving back here, you can see all the decorations, and they've really found complementing colors. Not only the rug, right, but this wallpaper that they've applied, little pieces of metal. She said they put their campground rules and such right there, and you know, the necessary information. That looks fantastic.
Yeah.
And we're not done in here, so we've gone ahead and added a backsplash to ours. This looks fantastic. I mean, these are really creative people that go, hey, we're experiencing this. We want to change it up. There we go. They're not afraid to make little changes here and there, but look at all that storage. We put ours up there. This is way nicer, isn't it?
It sure is. Well, and we're going to have to show on the way out because they also use this metal grating on their door so their dogs don't scratch through their screen door.
Which is a great idea. Yeah, the little guys have to be comfortable too, and also protected. So yeah, they did get the oven, which is an option, which is really nice.
Yep.
Now they've added some little hangers, just little hooks right there, and they fit perfectly right behind that little strip. They go ahead and put their hats and such. Really lightweight things, they'll put that there. Love that. They also have, these are kind of those water bottle stickers, I believe. Yep. They look fantastic. They have one on here and on the other side, and what a great place for a little weather station, clock, you know, all that stuff, and a little more storage where you're gonna put your keys, your pens, all that, and a little tablet holder here. That's great. They've
really maximized all of the space in here.
Yeah, and you can see, I mean, there's just so much to look at in here, but yeah, stuff up here, you got stuff in here, and it looks like maybe a tablet or book, you know, whatever. I would definitely maybe run a cable for charging. That's kind of where I would use that. That's a great idea.
They also added a custom headboard there, a foam headboard.
Yes, and so that helps a little tiny bit of insulation, I think is what she had originally purposed for. And it's nothing super fancy. It's a wrapped piece of foam, and she said it works great. And there's that other sticker on that other side. Also adding a mirror in here. I mean, there's so many little mods, quality of life mods, and that's a little shelf that can flip up and down. I love that they flip up. Yeah. That's wonderful.
And they go out of the way if you don't want them out. Yep.
So down here with the bed, you can see, love this, there's a little shoe storage, and the same exact thing on the other side. So they went ahead and trimmed that out. And you really wouldn't know that it wasn't from the factory, but let's lift this guy up. And I love how much she wants to show this off, but look at all of the storage in here. And you can see how simple it was just to make a little box here and on the other side.
These pull all the way out.
Sliding drawers, yeah. And you still have all that storage. I mean, the E23 F2 is what this is. So much storage. I mean, either way, any of the E23s, they're just ridiculous with storage. Yeah. And we'll love the bedding here. But we have to go into my favorite room.
The bathroom.
Oh, let's look at this. And
they flipped their door around like we did.
Yeah, we did the exact same thing on ours. Well worth it. But they've got little sticky hangers. That works well. They modded their shower head. I love this. That looks really great, and it definitely matches. Yeah. And look at, this might be the most unique sink I've seen in any RV. Kind of reminds me of like a dinosaur egg or like a carved out rock, right? And it's all PVC is what she said. You got more storage in here. That's wonderful. And this is very interesting. So they went ahead and there was a little bit more space. I think there was an extra 5 inches, she said. 5 inches? Yeah. All it is a little bit of wood because water does not pass. They've got a little seal on here and they use the original mirror. Water doesn't pass. This is just plywood, she said, and then they just wrapped it. I think it looks awesome. It's two really big, they got their shower bags in here. Two really big, deep compartment. I mean, and I love this. Oh, not to mention this shower curtain that they have also matches. Isn't that just lovely? I love that kind of watercolor appeal there.
And they were able to use the same vanity mirror here.
Yes.
On their medicine cabinet.
Oh, and I almost forgot the towel hooks. How great is that?
They also added a little backsplash in here as well.
Yeah, how wonderful. And finally, out here on the door, you can see they've added a grab handle just to make that a little tiny bit easier. And then we have some of that protective metal, some little aluminum sheets just screwed in there just to help protect that door from little dog claws and excitement, right? How wonderful is that? So when it comes to making your escape trailer your own, this is proof that with a little bit of ingenuity and a little bit of know-how, you can improve on an already fantastic design. In that, I've been talking about make it anywhere home. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you got some great ideas and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye guys.
Bye.